boys and girls. We're back together again for another time of learning. Today we're going to be learning about math and 3 different topics that we've already covered. Number 1, perimeter. Number 2, area. Number 3, decomposing figures. We're going to start first with perimeter. If you recall, perimeter is when you add up all of your sides. Okay? I've already prepared 3 examples for you. The first figure, they're asking for the total perimeter. Now that's not difficult. All you need to do is add up your sides. Oh, I can do that. Let's see, 11 plus 9. 7 and 7 is 14. 2 and 2 is 4. So I'm going to add all those up together. 9 and 1, 10. 10 and 4 and 4 is 18. Carry your 1. Your answer is 38. That is your total perimeter. Well, boys and girls, the next one is a little harder. They want the missing side. We've done that before as well. Well, the first thing you need to do is add up your 8, 12, and 9. 12, 8 and 9 is 17. Adding 29. Oh, that's not your answer. Now we have to subtract. 36, take away 29, regroup. 16 take away 9 is 7, and 7 is your total answer. But wait a minute, Miss Lowe. Can't you just count on your fingers? Well, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yes, you could count up, but honestly, when the numbers get larger, that would be just too difficult. Just subtract. This is called a 2-step problem. Addition, then subtraction. For the last one, it is 18 plus 18 plus 21 and 11. So you're going to have to add up all of your sides. 16, 17, 18, carry the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 68. But wait a minute, that's not your answer. 68. Oops, my bad. 87, take away 68. Regroup and borrow. 17, take away 8 is 9. 7 take away 6 is 1. Your answer for that is 19. So that is how you do perimeter. And for your math, this week, it will be 2 steps. Some are 2 steps, actually, and some are 1. The next topic we'll review is area. Now, area is length times width. A lot of you, when you have received problems like this, you think to yourself, oh, so simple. Okay, length times width, 5 times 3. Okay, I know that. Isn't that 15? It is. For some of you who have a harder time with this, you can draw your lines. Count up your squares. Okay. The next one, 4 times 2. Well, that's 8. Oh, but don't forget these. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total area is 12 on that. When you have larger problems, drawing your squares or counting them is not the best solution. For area, remember, it is length times width. This is millimeters. 78 millimeters on one side and 6 on the other. Now, could you draw all those squares? I suppose you could, but that would take you a very long time. Try your length times width. 8 times 6, 48. Carry your 4. 7 times 6, 42. Plus 4, 468. That's your answer. And on to our final topic for today. Decomposing our shapes. Sorry, boys and girls, this just came out from here. This is not attached very well. Well, try my best with that. Shapes. We've covered shapes before in my room. Here are your basic shapes. These are called two-dimensional shapes. And our two-dimensional shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, and pentagon. Some more two-dimensional shapes are trapezoid, parallelogram, hexagon, and octagon. What about this? What is that? Isn't that a block? Actually, the correct term is cube. We are not dealing with three-dimensional shapes. I'll say that again. We are not dealing with three-dimensional shapes. When we're decomposing or partitioning shapes, we're just going to deal with those shapes that are flat. Well, if I were to give you a particular shape like this is called a trapezoid. If I were to ask you what shape can be made with two trapezoids, I would take my trapezoid, trace it, okay. Then I take my trapezoid and trace it again. What brand new shape have I made? Why, I've made a hexagon. So my trapezoid now is a hexagon. I'll give you another shape. This shape you learned way back in kindergarten. This is called a triangle. Well, if I were to trace a triangle, and then I were to trace a triangle again, what brand new shape would I have? That's a rhombus. Can we do the reverse? Yes, you can. If I were to draw a parallelogram, is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 triangles. So if I were to decompose that shape, I've made 1, 2, 3 triangles. A trapezoid. 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay. Actually, I think I made a mistake. Sorry. Let me draw my parallelogram again. Gotta make it more like this. There we go. Gotta make sure those shapes are equal. So your parallelogram is actually 1, 2 triangles, and your trapezoid is 1, 2, 3 triangles. So boys and girls, that's how you would be decomposing shapes, okay? If you have any questions about your assignment that you'll be doing, just refer to this YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.